Hey, eco warriors, let's get the next generation on board with saving the planet. Today, we're sharing 5 fun activities to teach kids about sustainability. These activities are perfect for kids aged 5 to 12, and they're easy, budget friendly, and packed with lessons about living green. Whether you're in Toronto, Seattle, or anywhere else, we'll walk you through each activity, share tips to make them even more engaging, and throw in a bonus tip for finding eco-friendly resources. Plus, we'll answer common questions in a quick Q&A and talk about the long-term benefits of raising eco-conscious kids. Ready to make sustainability fun for the whole family? Let's dive in. Activity 1. Make a recycled bottle planter. Grab an empty plastic bottle, like one you'd use for water or soda, and some basic supplies, scissors, non-toxic paint, and a small plant or seeds. You'll also need some soil, which costs about $3 at a local garden store. First, cut the top off the bottle to make a small pot. Parents should help younger kids with this step to stay safe. Let your kids decorate the bottle with non-toxic paint in bright colors. They can add patterns or fun shapes. Once it dries, fill it with soil, plant the seeds, like basil or flowers, and water lightly. Place it on a sunny windowsill and watch it grow over the next few weeks. This takes about 30 minutes, and my niece loved decorating hers. It's now her favorite plant to take care of. It teaches kids about recycling and plant care, showing them how to turn trash into something useful. You can even make it a weekly ritual to check on the plant's growth together. It's a great way to bond. Activity 2. Play a sorting game with recyclables. Turn recycling into a game with items you already have at home: empty cans, paper, plastic bottles, and a few non-recyclables like food scraps. You'll need 3 bins or boxes labeled recycle, compost, and trash. Use masking tape and a marker to label them. This setup costs nothing if you have the items on hand. Gather the items, mix them up, and have your kids sort them into the right bins. Time them for extra fun. My son got competitive and sorted everything in under a minute. For younger kids, explain what goes where: paper and cans in recycle, food scraps in compost, and non-recyclables in trash. It takes 15 minutes to play, and it teaches kids the basics of waste management in a hands-on way. Many cities in the USA and Canada have online recycling guides to help you teach the right categories. Just search for your local waste management website. It's a fun way to make recycling second nature for kids. Activity 3. Create a nature journal. All you need is a notebook. Use one you already have or get a recycled paper one for about $2 at a local stationery store. And some crayons or pencils. Take your kids outside to a park, backyard, or even a balcony, and have them draw what they see: trees, birds, flowers, or bugs. Encourage them to write down observations like "the bird is singing" or "this leaf is spiky." For older kids, add a challenge. Find something new each time, like a different leaf shape or a new insect. This takes about 30 minutes per outing, and my daughter loves showing off her journal to her friends. It's like her own nature book. It teaches kids to appreciate nature and notice the world around them in a mindful way. Many parks in the USA and Canada offer free nature guides online. Check your local park's website for printable activity sheets to make it even more fun. Activity 4. Build a bird feeder from recycled materials. Use an empty milk carton or juice box, some string, and birdseed. Total cost under $5. Birdseed costs about $3 at a local pet store. Rinse the carton thoroughly, cut 2 small windows on opposite sides, and poke a hole at the top to thread the string through. Let your kids decorate it with non-toxic paint or stickers. They can get creative with colors and patterns. Fill it with birdseed, tie the string, and hang it in your backyard or on a balcony. It takes 20 minutes to make, and watching birds visit is so exciting for kids. My son named our regular visitor Chirpy. This teaches kids about reusing materials and caring for wildlife in a simple, hands-on way. Many nature organizations in the USA and Canada offer free guides online about attracting local birds. Just search for bird conservation resources in your area. Activity 5. Go on a trash pickup adventure. Grab some reusable gloves, a bag, and head to a local park or street for a mini cleanup. Reusable gloves cost about $2 at a local dollar store, and you can use any old bag you have at home. Turn it into an adventure. Pretend you're eco-superheroes saving the planet. Pick up litter like wrappers or straws, and talk about why trash hurts nature, like how plastic can harm animals in the park. It takes 30 minutes, and my kids love the superhero theme. They even made capes from old towels to wear. Afterward, sort the trash for recycling or disposal to teach them the full cycle. This teaches kids the impact of littering and the importance of keeping spaces clean. Many communities in the USA and Canada host cleanup events you can join. Check your local city's website for family friendly opportunities. Bonus tip: find eco friendly resources to make learning even easier. Many libraries in the USA offer free eco kits for kids with books, games, and activities. Check your local library's website for availability. In Canada, public libraries often have similar programs, plus online resources like sustainability story times for kids. You can also find free printable worksheets online. Search for kids recycling or nature activities for ideas. Look for local eco fairs or workshops, often held around Earth Day in April, for hands-on learning opportunities. Many environmental organizations in the USA and Canada offer free lesson plans and games for parents. Just search for educational resources on sustainability for kids. These resources make teaching sustainability fun, accessible, and engaging for the whole family. Q&A. Let's answer some questions you might have. First, what age is best for these activities? They're great for kids 5 to 12. Younger kids might need more help with cutting or sorting, while older ones can take the lead on projects. Second, what if my kids aren't interested? Make it exciting. Turn activities into games or stories, like being eco superheroes on a mission. Finally, can I do these indoors if the weather's bad? Absolutely. The nature journal can be done on a balcony, and the sorting game and bird feeder work indoors too. Just get creative with your space. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer in the next video. Long-term benefits. Teaching kids about sustainability now sets them up for a lifetime of green habits. They'll grow up knowing how to recycle, reuse, and care for nature, which means less waste and a healthier planet in the future. Plus, these activities build creativity and responsibility. My son now reminds me to recycle every time we go shopping. They also strengthen family bonds through shared experiences. I've made so many memories with my kids doing these projects together. Most importantly, you're raising eco-conscious kids who'll inspire others to live sustainably, creating a ripple effect for generations. It's a small start with a big impact on the planet. That's 5 fun activities to teach your kids about sustainability in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below. We're excited to hear. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more eco tips every week. Let's raise the next generation of eco warriors together.